Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to lesson 8 today. Is our learning target and then again our skills that we're going to work on. Your target today is that you are going to show us that you can model teen numbers with materials from the abstract to the concrete. So those are two kind of big fancy words. Basically, you are showing us that you know what numbers look like and you get to decide how you want to do that for today's lesson. So your 3 skills that you're going to be working on. Number 1, you're going to show us that you can model teen numbers with your objects. Now remember, I asked you to grab your 20 objects and 10 of them needed to be the same and the other 10 needed to be something different. So make sure you have those. The second skill is that you can model teen numbers with paper and pencil the 5 group way. This skill we're actually going to do towards the end of our lesson. So we'll work on that again at the end, but just know that that is going to be coming up. And then the last one is that you're going to be able to make your hide zero cards match your work. So let us go ahead and get started. If you look down on my floor, I have my hide zero cards placed to the side of my mat, and then I have my 10. Remember, I'm always going to keep my 10 objects out. So if you want to go ahead and set your 10 objects up, that is perfect. For today's lesson, I'm going to be giving you numbers either with my materials or with my hide 10 cards. No matter what, whatever one I give you, I want you to complete it doing the opposite. So my example would be if I show you this, I want you to fill in your hide zero cards and telling me what number this would be. So my hope is that you see the 10. You can see that there are 4. So you would grab your 4 and place it over to tell me that I have a total of 14. Okay? All right, so that's my first example. My second example is if I give you that number, I want you to take your materials out and I want you to show me that you added 4 more. Okay? So remember, you can either have them going across or if you want to have them going down, that is fine too. I just want you to make sure that you have the objects that match our cards because if you remember, that's one of our skills that we have to accomplish today. All right, let's get started. The first one, I'm going to give you the materials that I would like for you to do. You know I already have 10. That's why I have my 10 card. I want you to count to see how many I put down. Hopefully you're counting on and you see 5, 6, and you grabbed your 6 card and you put it on top of the 0 and you got the number 16. Awesome work, you guys. Good job. All right, I'm going to clear that off. This time, I want you to show me your 10 and I want you to show me that number with your materials. I'm hoping it looks something like this. You have your 10 and 2 more, and we know that 10 and 2 is going to make us the number 12. All right, good job, you guys. Keep it up. You're looking awesome. All right, here, you know what? I'm going to do one more of those cards. All right. Go ahead and fill in the other side of your mat. Did you get 5 on yours? Awesome. We know that 10 and 5 is going to make the total of 15. Nice work. All right, I'm going to make you guys count, okay? Go ahead and look how many objects I put on my mat. And go ahead and fill in with your hide 0 card. What card would we be hiding for that 0? I know when I count on, I get 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to pull up the number 8 and I'm going to put it right over my 0. I know that 10 and 8 are going to make 18. Awesome, you guys. All right. What if I do that? Go ahead. 5, 6. Go ahead and find your 6 card. Remember, your 6 is a smaller number, so he sits on his bottom. That's why we have the line. I know that 10 and 6 make 16. Awesome work, you guys. All right, here we go. Ready? All right, I see 10 and I see 1, so I need to pull my 1 over. When I have 10 and 1, it makes the number 11. Good work. Okay, I'm going to give you the card this time, and I would like for you to make that number with the rest of your materials. I am hoping yours looks like that, and you have 1 left over in your hand, and you have 1 open space. 10 and 9 make 19. All right, awesome, you guys. So that was our first couple examples. The second one I'm going to go to is this is where you need your piece of paper and you need your pencil. So if you look at my board, these are the 4 numbers that we are going to work on today. Your 4 numbers they're wanting you to use, and here's your choice for your example today. I am going to, sorry about that. You can use your hide 0 dot cards if you would like to show each of these, or I'm actually going to draw the dots to match my numbers. So again, I can use both of them as a helper. So if I spread these out, sorry guys, I know to get 13, I'm going to need 10 and 3. So again, I'm using my hide 0 cards. They're matching my number. But again, I need to draw that. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then again, my 3 left over. I have 10 and I have 3 to make the total of 13. Okay? All right, if I go to my next one, 17, I know I need 10 and I need 7. Those are my hide 0 cards. I need to draw those. So if I do that, I can go across 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I need to draw the 7. I know 7 is going to be 5 on top and 2 on the bottom. So I have my 10 and my 7, and those together make the total of 17. All right, let's go to our next one. 15. I'm looking for my cards. I know I need, oops, sorry about that, 10 and 5. I have 10 and 5, and again, I'm going to go back and I'm going to draw those dots to match. So make sure when you're doing your dots, you're making them the 5 group way, which means if your number is bigger than 5, they need to be grouped in a 5 and go to the next side and hopefully line up. So I know I have 10 and 5, and I know when I have 10 and 5, that makes 15. All right, my last and final one, 11. I know to make 11, it's going to be 10 and 1. Those are my cards that make it match. I am going to draw my dots to match that number. There's my 10, and then my 1 is left over. Okay, so for today, again, you're going to, sorry about that, guys. You're going to do pages 122 and page 123. You are going to look at the number that they're giving you, and you are going to draw this number the same way that you have your hide 0 dot cards. So again, you want to draw it the 5 group way. So if you get stuck, I want you to pull out your materials and I want you to look, especially for this first one. I just did that one on the example on the board. Pull these cards out. You need to have a group of 10 and then 1 dot. So please make sure you're drawing your pictures to match these numbers. So again, page 122, pancake, flip it over, and you're going to do also page 123 for your math lesson today. All right, you guys, keep up the amazing work. We'll see you later. Bye.